Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Side dishes like rice, vegetables, pasta and bread are a good accompaniment for most main courses. Among the vegetables, the potatoes are probably the most popular ones. They can be prepared in so many different ways, like baked, boiled, mashed, and scalloped, including this way. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my French fries. They are so delicious because they are crispy on the outside and tender in the inside. They're perfect with burgers, hot dogs, sandwiches, steak, chicken, and so on. So my friends, let's get cooking. This is our peeled potatoes ready to be cut. And today I'm using a mandolin. Hey, I'm feeling lazy. But if you want to cut them by hand, make sure they're all the same size so they cook evenly. Next, we'll fill up a large bowl with cold water and then add the potatoes, tossing them around to separate them. This will also help to release some starch. Now what we'll do is to drain it and refill the bowl with cold water again, getting rid of more starch. As you can see, my water is still cloudy, so I'll do it one more time. We'll now transfer the bowl to the fridge for 2 hours. So, a couple hours later, we'll drain the potatoes in a colander and leave them there for 15 to 20 minutes. From here, we'll place a clean dish towel on a large cutting board and drop the drained potatoes on it. We'll spread them out evenly and then take paper towels to pat them dry. We want to remove as much moisture as possible. Alright, let's blanch them. We'll heat the oil in a Dutch oven, and when the temperature reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll carefully add the potatoes without crowding the pot and flipping them occasionally. Now, depending on the thickness, we'll leave them anywhere between 2 to 4 minutes. Mine are similar in size to McDonald's, KFC's, and Wendy's. Therefore, I blanched them for only 2 minutes. When time is up, we'll scoop them up with a spider strainer or a slaughter spoon and place the potatoes on a baking sheet lined with paper towels. We'll let them drain and cool completely while doing the others. Now, when this step is done, we'll bring up the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason why we're above 350 degrees is because as soon as we add our blanched potatoes, the temperature will drop considerably. So, we'll fry them until golden brown, about 6 to 8 minutes. When we achieve it, we'll scoop the fries up and transfer them to a clean baking sheet lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. From here, we'll transfer them to a large bowl and season with salt. And my friends, these are our French fries. Nice and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, they're just like the ones from many fast food restaurants. So next time you're craving them, you can now make them at home. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!